Hey everyone, this is Maryam from Crochet Chill Pill, and today we're going to learn how to crochet this beautiful skirt. I used this yarn, 4.5mm crochet hook, yarn needle and scissors. Let's get started! This skirt starts from the waistband, so measure the biggest part of your waist, your hips. And then when you measure, chain as many as you need. You'd better have even number of chains. I made 115 chains for me, and you should make a slip stitch to the first chain. And be careful not to twist your project. Straight it with your hands. Now chain 3 as our first double crochet. You can make a single crochet plus 2 chains instead. Skip the next stitch and make a double crochet into the next one. I want to crochet in back loops of my chains. So when you make your first double crochet, skip the next chain and make a double crochet into the next chain. I make my stitches in back loops of my chains. Skip the next chain and make a double crochet into the next one, into the back loop of the next one. Skip the next chain and make a double crochet into the next chain, and repeat this process all the way around. I made odd number of chains and I don't have any chains left. So at the end of the project, when you made your last double crochet, skip the next chain if you have any and make a slip stitch to the first double crochet. My first double crochet was 3 chains. Make it in that third chain, or if you have 1 single crochet plus 2 chains, make it in that second chain. Be careful not to twist. Row 2, chain 3, and these 3 chains count as our first double crochet, or make 1 single crochet plus 2 chains. Add 1 more chain as our chain 1 space and make a double crochet into the next double crochet. Chain 1 and make a double crochet into the next double crochet. I'm trying to find my next double crochet. Chain 1 and make a double crochet into the next double crochet, and repeat this process to the end of the round. At the end of the row, when you made your last double crochet, chain 1 and make a slip stitch to the first double crochet. Our first double crochet was 3 chains, or 1 single crochet plus 2 chains. Make it in that third chain, or if you made 1 single crochet plus 2 chains, make it in that second chain. Row 3, chain 3, and these 3 chains count as our first double crochet, or make 1 single crochet plus 2 chains. And make 3 double crochets into the next double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. Into the next double crochet, make 1 double crochet. And repeat the process. 3 double crochets in next stitch, 1 double crochet in next, 3 next, 1 in next. At the end of my project, I made my last 3 double crochets, and at the end of the row, make a slip stitch to the first double crochet. As you know, our first double crochet was a single crochet plus 2 chains or 3 chains. Make it in that third chain, or if you made 1 single crochet plus 2 chains, make it in that second chain. Row 4, chain 3 in these 3 chains count as our first double crochet, or make 1 single crochet plus 2 chains. We reach this group of 3 double crochets. Into the second stitch of it, make 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. Into the single double crochet that we have, make 1 double crochet. Into the second stitch of our 3 double crochets that we had, make 3 double crochets. And repeat the process. 1 double crochet into our single double crochets, 3 double crochets into the second stitch of our 3 double crochets. At the end of the row, the last part of mine is 3 double crochets, and make a slip stitch to the first double crochet that you have, into the third chain of those 3 chains, or into the second chain of those 1 single crochet plus 2 chains. And from here, repeat row 4 for as many rows as you want. Like this. Make 3 chains or 1 single crochet plus 2 chains as your first double crochet. Make 3 double crochets into the second stitch of those 3 stitches that you have. Make 1 single crochet into that single double crochet. And at the end of the row, make a slip stitch to the first double crochet. And repeat the rows until you have your desired length. I got the length I wanted, and this is what I have left from that big ball of yarn, and it's almost 40 centimeters. At the end of the row, at the end of your project, into the third chain of those 3 chains that you had at the beginning of the row, or the second chain of that single crochet plus 2 chains, make a slip stitch, then chain 1 and cut the yarn. Then pull it tight and thread your needle and hide it at the back of your project, back and forth. For your waistband section, you can use a piece of ribbon or a belt to decorate and make it more beautiful. And I think that will be classy by wearing it. Hope you like this tutorial, and if you like it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on post notifications, like this video, share it to your friends, and support me. See you in next tutorials. Bye!